shift our focus to some more news updates that we are getting for you. A heart-wrenching case has come to light from Greater Noida in Uttar Pradesh, where a married woman was murdered when the dowry demand was not met. The woman's family has filed a case against her in-laws regarding this incident. The police have arrested the husband, but in-laws, we are being told, are on the run. Isha is now joining us live right now for more on this. Isha, a shocking case there emerging from Greater Noida. What more details can you share with us?
Hina, absolutely barbaric. This is 2025 and we're still reporting on dowry deaths, and that speaks about the state of our nation and how there are still people who are believing in the concept of dowry. When we speak of this particular case, this man has set fire to his wife because she was not able to provide him with the sum of 35 lakhs of dowry. In fact, we've also found out that when they were getting married in 2016, the family, the in-laws, had demanded for a Scorpio, and they were given several gifts as well at that time, but they were not satisfied and they continued to demand more money, and 35 lakhs is what they were asking for hard cash. And then when the family was not able to furnish such a huge amount, she was constantly tortured and she was mentally harassed. In fact, there is also a child involved in the picture, Hina. The child has said that his father allegedly put the mother to fire with a lighter, and the way that also she was put on was set ablaze is absolutely shocking and horrendous, Hina, because there was an inflammable liquid poured on her and then she was set ablaze. So definitely a shocking incident, and there are two sisters in this particular family, both married to two brothers of the same family, but shocking incident. The in-laws are currently on the run. The husband has been apprehended, but there are no words absolutely to express shock at such an incident.
Well, absolutely. It's a heart-wrenching case that has now emerged from Greater Noida in Uttar Pradesh, but it's quite shocking that the in-laws now are on the run. They have not been arrested so far. What is it that the cops have said so far in this case? And also, have we spoken to the family members of this lady? What is it that they have to say about, the entire case?
Right, so there is the DCP who has given out the statement. He said that the police has apprehended the husband. He's been taken into custody. However, there is no clarity over what the in-laws are, where the in-laws are. In fact, their arrest is still pending, is what we have also been told. And the sister of the victim has also spoken out. She has definitely spoken about the level of mistreatment that her sister was going through at the hands of her husband. The child, of course, Hina, we can only imagine the extent of the mental trauma that he's had to endure, seeing his father put fire onto his mother. And he has in fact described the incidents to the police, and that is what also the police has said, that the child involved has explained the incident to them. And definitely a shocking case, but we're waiting for more details to emerge. This is a Greater Noida case, but more details to emerge shortly.
Right. Isha, request you to stay on with us. We are getting a reaction as well on the story. Let's listen in.
ये दिनांक 21/8/2025 को रात्रि में फोर्टिस हॉस्पिटल से थाना कासना पे मेमो प्राप्त हुआ कि एक महिला जलने से भर्ती हुई है, जिसे सफदरजंग रेफर कर दिया गया है। पुलिस ने तत्काल संज्ञान लेते हुए फोर्टिस हॉस्पिटल से होकर सफदरजंग पहुंची, लेकिन रास्ते में ही उस महिला की मृत्यु हो गई। परिजन मिल गए थे। पुलिस ने पंचायतनामा कार्रवाई करके पोस्टमार्टम कराया। परिजनों ने उसका अंतिम संस्कार किया। जो मृतका है, उसकी बहन की तहरीर पे सुसंगत धाराओं में थाना कासना पर मुकदमा पंजीकृत किया गया। पति और उसके परिजनों के खिलाफ पुलिस ने कार्रवाई करते हुए पति विपिन को हिरासत में ले लिया है तथा अन्य की गिरफ्तारी हो टीमें गठित हैं। शीघ्र ही उनकी भी गिरफ्तारी की जाएगी। अग्रिम विधिक कार्रवाई इसमें प्रचलित है।
And Isha, thank you very much for the moment, for joining us with your inputs. We'll of course be tracking the story closely ahead as well. For now, slipping into a very, very short break. More news and updates on the other side. Stay with us.